Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are going to make a crispy, spicy and comforting snack that's a household favorite, Aloo Kachori. Let's get started. In a bowl, add 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon black seeds, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything well with your fingers. Now gradually add 1/3 cup water and knead into a smooth dough. Cover and let it rest. Potato stuffing. In a bowl, add 2 boiled mashed potatoes, 1 tablespoon chopped onion, 1 green chilli, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chat masala, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon cumin, and some coriander leaves. Mix it all until nicely combined. Take a portion of dough and roll it gently. Resting the dough make it easier to roll and puff. Don't overstuff or it may break during frying. Place a spoonful of the potato stuffing in the center. Seal well and roll again lightly. Seal the edges well to prevent filling from leaking out. Kachuri dates back to ancient India and was once considered royal street food. Black seeds in the dough give it an earthy, nutty flavor. Heat oil in medium flame. Carefully place each kachuri in the oil and fry until golden and crispy on both sides. Aloo Kachori is loved across India with regional variations. It's one of the most popular snacks during festive season and tea time. Add more herbs like mint or spinach for a nutritional boost. Use an air fryer for a lower oil version. Serve with your yogurt dip instead of chutney for a probiotic balance. Your Aloo Kachori is ready. What would you pair with your Aloo Kachori? Tamarind chutney or spicy ketchup? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more fun, flavorful recipes. See you in the next video. Until then, happy cooking!